Hello, guys. Welcome to Bonquisitive Take. Today, we are diving into a very fascinating and controversial topic, which is at the intersection of AI and data privacy and ethics related to it. So, recently, Scarlett Johansson found herself in the midst of a heated dispute with OpenAI. So, you must have heard about OpenAI. It's one of the uh, front runner in terms of AI revolution that has been happening. They are the ones who have launched ChatGPT and made AI accessible to a very large mass audience. Now, what exactly happened and why does it actually matter? So, Scarlett Johansson, as you might all know, is a celebrated Hollywood actress, and she is known for her iconic roles in movies like Lost in Translation, Her, and a lot of other projects. So recently, she accused OpenAI of using a voice in their AI assistant tool, Sky, which sounded remarkably similar to her own voice and also without her permission. So she said in her statement that a long time back, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman actually asked for permission to use her voice, but after some consideration, she declined. Yet, when on 13th May, OpenAI had their developer connect. At that time, when they also launched the AI voice called Sky, that particular voice was so similar to her own voice that even very people who were very close to Johansson, they were also like couldn't tell the difference. So now this is the issue, and because of that, Johansson actually had to hire lawyers. He basically took legal help and issued some legal letters to OpenAI to actually investigate how the voice was exactly created, how the voice was trained, and like why it sounds so similar to her own voice when she hasn't actually given a explicit permission. In response, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman said that the voice was not intended to mimic Johansson's, and the voice actor who was cast for this, she was cast well before even any outreach that happened to Scarlett Johansson. But even after that, due to a very huge backlash, OpenAI apologized to Johansson and they paused the use of Sky's voice, emphasizing that they were not basically intending to mimic any celebrity's voice deliberately. So this is the incident that happened. But now this incident raises very crucial questions about AI data privacy, the ethical use of personal data. Why? Because as you know, as AI technology advances, we need a lot of data that can be image data, then that can be video data, that can be audio data. Now, how do you ensure that the data that is being used for training purposes, they are actually okay to be used for training? Because obviously, all these data is created by someone or some person. It may be residing in the internet, but unless you are giving your explicit permission, is it okay to use? Or is it like if it is in the internet, if it is in the public forum, then it is okay to use it for training purposes? So even for the voice technology, which right now have probably you have seen that uh, in the previous time the AI voices was pretty robotic. It sounded like machines, right? But at the same time, people are trying to work with different stuff so that the voice actually sounds more human. It sounds more emotional, touching, and it can so that it can connect with us. But at the same time, it can actually bring significant risk if you are if the companies who are basically trying to build this technology, if they can use even a celebrity's voice to basically create or train this type of models without their permission. So if it happens with a celebrity, it can happen with any of us. So what can we learn from this? The intersection of AI and human likeness is a complex and evolving issue. So a lot of people, a lot of governments are working on determining the lines between the privacy, the training data, and stuff like that. As technology progresses, it's crucial to balance innovation with respect for individual rights as well. So, what do you think about this controversy? Should there be a stricter regulation on AI generated contents, or should it be more open so that the technology can advance? Let us know in the comments below. And hopefully, from this discussion, you learned something new, as well as not only the news, but the implications, the larger, broader implications as well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the tech world. Let's see you soon. Thank you. Have a great day.